Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to advertise on Snapchat. In order to do that, click on this search right here and search in here for Snapchat ads. Once you have searched for that, you should be able to scroll down and see here you can see it's for business at snapchat.com. Head over and click on that, and then from there you can see this wherein you can sell more with Snapchat and ads. Click on this create an ad right here, and then from in there you will be redirected to the Snapchat ads manager. So from in there, just wait for this to finish the loading process in order to select the business that you can actually add an ad into. So from in here, just put in here the name of your business. So for example, for me, I'll head over and then put in here my store. And then once you have done that, head over and click on this next right here. And then you can just put in here where do you do your business. You can put in here your country, your USD, your phone number, as well as your website right here. Some things are actually optional, so I can head over and then skip them. Now from there you can see in here your public profile, so you can use in here your username. You can also use your different username. Click on this create public profile right here. Now once you have created your public profile, you should be able to see in here the actual dashboard of Snapchat Ads Manager. Now let's just wait for this right here. Now as you can see, they actually have a promotion. Now in here, just choose an ad that you want. It can be instant create or advanced create. For example, for me, I'll head over and click on this instant create right here, and then just put in here advertising goal. So for example, I'll just head over and choose in here this web visits, and in here put in here the URL that you want to add into. From there, click on next right here. Now in here, you can upload a video or photo that you can help design your ads. So let's upload in here a video or a photo. Now you can add a lot of things right here. Open that and then it will upload. Now crop that, and in here you can put in here your brand name, headline for this particular ad, like for example, visit for free gifts. So you can say something like that, and then from there scroll down and you can post it to your public profile. Click on this next right here, and then once you have done that, you can see this location, demographics, wherein you want to add for this one. So you can also put in here a budget or daily budget or anything, as well as your business address, payment details, and all of this. So you can see here the delivery estimates right here, and as you can see, it will reach a lot of members. And then once you're done with that, head over and click on this publish option right here in order to publish on Snapchat. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.